Good morning, guys. Monday. We're out here fishing for halibut. The only difference about today is we got live anchovies this morning. I've been fishing. This is my third day I've been out here. It's beautiful to be out here. I mean, if you're off, why not come out here and fish, right? So today I'm fishing with David.
Hell yeah. Thank you, Ro, for inviting us, man. Thank you.
Fat Boy Angler.
Hell yeah. Good times.
Yep.
Hell yeah. Live bait opening up. Let's go.
And then we got Steve.
Right on. Thanks, Ro. Appreciate it, man.
Yep. Steve's fished. This is the second time he's fished with me, and I don't mind bringing it where he wants to come out here. Let's come out here and let's just have some fun. So I'll show you guys a lot of anchovies. So it's $40 half a scoop, but it's worth it though. Come out here and just stick some big pigs. It's kind of choppy this morning, kind of ugly. Hopefully the day gets better, but you know how us fishermen are. It don't matter, we're stubborn. Even though they say it's gonna be choppy, we still come out here.
Yeah. All right, fish home. Shaker.
Shaker.
Yeah, like 20.
Oh, that's the first one.
Comes off the boat.
Yeah. First one of the morning.
Yep, got the skunk off the boat. Feisty one.
Alright, he's going back in the water. There you go. Yep. We got a turkey for Steve, roast beef for David, and ham for me. About that time. I'm getting hungry. So I picked up some sandwiches from Rayleigh's this morning. These sandwiches are good. If we don't have hot links, this is a second choice here.
A little shaker.
Just a little one.
Oh, striper.
We're gonna go ahead and take them. I guess they taste good fresh, huh?
Yeah.
Probably another striper.
A little bit better. Oh yeah, a little bit better striper.
Yeah.
About the same size too. Maybe a little bit longer.
I think this is a little bit bigger. Yeah, this is a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
Right. Fish on, baby.
Hell yeah. You're on fire, Rose.
It's probably a shark.
A shark. That's a big halibut. It is a shark? Yeah. Oh, a little leopard.
Yeah, it's because the tide's not moving right now.
Yeah, it's kind of slow. Bro's catching everything.
Yeah, we got a leopard shark. Usually that's what happens when the tide's not moving. When I first started fishing, I couldn't stand driving these things, man.
They are a pain. Don't hurt.
You have
no.
a, you have
Yeah,
a,
right in the lip.
you have a, you have pliers? Look at that, they're strong.
One big muscle.
Huh? And they don't give up neither, huh? Look at that.
He's gonna wrap himself up.
Yeah, no.
Oh, damn.
Here, wrap it.
Grab him right behind the head.
Got him? There we go.
See, grandpa. Went right this leg. Let go.
These are strong, man. Look at that, he just won't give up, man. All right, guys, look at this beautiful shark. For all them kids that watch this channel, look at that.
Feisty guys.
Yeah. No more sharks, please. All right, so all these charters, everybody's fishing right here in front of Treasure Island. There's a bunch of boats. Haven't seen no nets, but there's a bunch of boats.
Can't see it.
There we go. Told you were gonna catch the first ray.
Damn, forget that damn thing.
Hey David, didn't I tell you you were gonna catch the first ray?
Yeah.
You started off where you left off last year, brother. Can you show it to the camera?
Oh, you want me to pick them up?
Yeah.
All right. Here.
Show all the kids what a bat ray looks like.
And how you grab them?
Yep.
Right by the tail. Yeah. Grab them like this.
There you
You
go.
put them right in.
Look at that. Nice.
And watch out for a stinger.
So the stinger,
Look at that,
the stinger's right there.
He's a feisty one.
See the stinger?
And that slime is no joke. That stuff don't like to come off.
Well, throw it on your side. I don't want it on my side. There you go.
Oh man, see that slime? That's gonna be a pain to get off.
Stay away from rays.
It better not be another. That's alright.
What you got there, Dave?
Oh, I guess another stingray.
No way, no man.
I know.
He's turning the whole boat.
Heads up, guy. I got a stingray. It's right underneath you guys. I'm right in front of you, dead front of you.
I would say put it on neutral so you won't get it on your prop.
Yeah, you might want to put it in neutral.
Oh.
Going right towards you.
Yeah, it was turning the whole boat.
Probably a ray.
Man, he's running. Look at that.
Yep,
That's
bat
a
ray.
big bat ray. Worse than fighting a sturgeon, huh? Ooh. Look at that big. He's big.
Yeah. Or just pull my leader. There he goes.
He gave up. He gave up.
You got upside down. You're going to sleep.
Well, Dave, sorry about that, man.
What? That was a good fight.
All right, yeah.
Yeah, that's about it. They're a good fight. My arm's a little woken up now.
I don't like
But
catching them.
I don't even like touching them.
I don't like
That
catching
one I
them
touched
at all.
earlier, I still feel like I have the slime on my hands.
It's just too much work to roll those things
Yeah.
in, man. It's just like
For nothing.
you think you got it in, and then he takes off again.
Yeah,
and it's just like-
always get close, take off. Get close, take off.
all right, well, let's focus on the
Hell
halibut.
yeah. Let's get a big butt now.
All right, guys, it's 9:45. It's been slow for us, even though we got live bait. There's a bunch of boats out here. Only ones we keep on seeing catching fish are the charters.
Yeah, the
But
big party boats.
Again, they got 30 poles on each boat. There's 5 boats, charter boats, over 100 poles, so that's normal. So we're still trying though, so hopefully we start catching them.
All right, Raul's hooked up again. Yeah, hell yeah, it's good times anyway. At least I'll try to net this one.
Ready, buddy?
Ah! Sand down.
Yeah. Baby.
Yeah. At least you catching them though. You catching them.
Little baby.
Yeah.
All right, guys, 11 o'clock. It's been tough out here. We're gonna go ahead and head out to the shallows over there in the flats on the other side of the wooden pier. That's where we were catching them trolling yesterday, so we're gonna go ahead and give it a shot out there with live bait.
right, it's on.
This is the keeper right here.
Oh,
He let go.
damn.
Huh?
Oh, yeah. Let him go.
Alright. Up with the keeper.
Questionable.
Oh no, that's a good one. All right, Steve.
No, that's a keeper. It's like
That's a
oh, it looked a little smaller when it first came up.
Yeah. There you go. Oh no, 24.
24?
Good job, Steve.
Nice. You got a
thumper?
thumper? He's there.
I want to feed us in line because sometimes they don't commit.
That one's there.
Is it?
Fish on double. Double, yeah.
Oh, see, line came off.
That's top off.
Look at that.
Damn.
Look at that.
Yeah, he was swallowing.
He just took it away and we had a double. He did not commit. I bet it's a line too.
Yeah, better than a lot.
Yeah.
Feels good?
What is came up with the turkey, too. Ready?
You're gonna come in front of you again. I don't know about that one.
All right, see, you got your limit, baby.
Yeah, well, that's probably like another one. 20, I don't know about that one.
23.
Yeah, 23, a little over 23. Nice.
So you got a 23 and a 24, Steve. You got your limit.
Right on, right on. Hell yeah.
So far, Steve already limited out 2 halibut.
Hell yeah. Good job.
Hell yeah.
23 and 24. Feels good to limit out, right, Steve?
Yeah, what a release.
Yep. And David here, he caught
Catching stingrays.
2 stingrays.
Yeah.
Small ones and a humongous one. We had to cut the line, it was so big. And I caught 2 stripers, 2 shaker halibuts. And right now it seems like if they take the bait, but they're not committed, they're just pulling on it, and we try to reel it in, and they let go. So we got 4 more to go, and call it a day, guys.
Let's get them.
All right, it's 1:30. We're gonna go ahead and do our last drift. We still have 2 halibut, 2 stripers, and 3-4 shakers, halibut. And Dave was messing around with the stingrays today. So hopefully on this drift, I always do this drift every time I go home, right along the wooden pier. So it just drifted me back to the marina, and we don't catch nothing, we're done. All right, we got another one.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Big one. Ready? Yeah.
Yeah.
There we go.
That's a big one.
Yeah, that's a nice
fatty. One. You're welcome.
Thanks for sleeping. Yeah, that's a good one.
All right, guys, we caught it right here, rolling back.
You called it.
We call it drifting back. We always do real good, drifting back home.
All right, got a good one.
Real nice.
Oh
one.
yeah, finally took all day, but we got it. Oh yeah.
Good job, good job. Good job, David, good job. We'll probably get another one. All right, so we got total of 3 halibut, 2 stripers. 26
inches.
Nice and fatty, huh?
Yeah, that's a good one. All right, finally got one. It took me all day, so I'm gonna celebrate with the Lagunitas.
I got some Estrella Jalisco. Good beer.
Oh yeah, cheers, bro.
Celebrating for my catch.
Yeah.
Everybody got a catch today.
Finally.
Beautiful day today.
Yep. Hey, fish on.
Probably a shaker.
Maybe.
I've been catching nothing but shakers.
Oh, maybe. That's gonna be real close.
Yeah, it's gonna be real close. But I don't think it'll make it. He's not gonna make it. He's too small.
Yeah. Yeah, 19, 20, yeah.
Not that I know it's a keeper, I just want to know how big it is. Yeah,
19 and a half.
19 and a half.
Oh, it's... that was... Damn, knock it back, bro.
He's on there. This one has to be a keeper, man. Oh man, another shaker.
A little under 21.
Little under 21. All right, David has another one. Is it a keeper?
Nah, it's a shaker.
It's a striper. Oh no, it is a baby halibut.
Yeah, baby.
All right, well, it's still
All right, I finally caught a halibut on my rod.
Oh, this is a striper, I think. They're here. Oh, that's
Yeah,
a little
striper.
striper.
Oh, we don't need a net for that
Yeah, we don't need that. Yeah. Ooh, he came off.
Easy, really.
Yeah, he came off. I didn't want him anyway.
Yeah.
All right, guys, 3 o'clock. We're calling it a day. We had a beautiful fishing day out here. I want to thank Steve for coming out here, Steve.
Thank you, Raul.
I want to also thank
Oh yeah, thank you, Raul.
David.
Appreciate coming out with you. It's always good times with you.
So yeah, Steve actually limited out. Thumbs up. And David caught a nice 26
incher, yeah.
26 incher.
Took me all day, but I got it.
So David actually caught nice size fish today. He caught 2 stingrays.
A little one and then a big one.
Yeah.
It was a good fight.
I ended up catching 2 keeper stripers. I caught a 3rd one, but it came off. I mean, it was probably about, 18, 19. And I caught a lot of shaker halibut today. So that's it.